Hi everyone, my name is Shreyas Ramkumar. I am presently a fourth year student at Flame University where I study economics and public policy. With me here in the studio today is Professor Suniti Vadalkar, Faculty of Design at Flame University. And very interestingly, she also happens to be the first faculty of Flame University. Hi ma'am.
Hi,
Quick question. What are we doing here? We have a economic student here. We have a design faculty here. What's happening?
I'm connecting the dots of all the subjects to knowledge per se, and to elaborate on this journey and to give you more clarity, I need to take you 40 years back, wherein I was of your age and I had designed a campaign for Benetton Coleman. It was the Ashok Jain Awards. And even at that time, when I was of your age, I was thinking that the education system in India needs to be re-looked at. So it had three sections because it was a campaign. The first said, education, what is your child in for? A race for marks. The race for marks still continues even today. The second part said, what is your child in for? To purchase knowledge. I don't know how far it exists in the world right now. I hope it has vanished. And the last one said, if at all this is the way you are getting your education, then you'd rather be a machine than a sensitive individual by the time you graduate. So this was my concern when I was of your age. And then I was in business and nothing happened for 20 long years. And suddenly one fine day I got to know that such noble people are coming up with a philanthropic mission called Flame. And I became the first faculty and I could immediately connect the dots. So from 2005, I'm in Flame. The university began in 2007, so I am with students from 2007. So it has been around 18 years now. And I have been observing students from very close quarters because I live on campus. The lack of focus, over the years, reducing. And that was my greater concern. So having that as a backdrop, I thought, why is it that this generation lacks focus? Why is it that they do not have the energy levels I have at this age? Why is it that they have terminologies and words like anxiety and depression when they are in the prime of their youth and from affluent families and everything on their fingertips? So these were the questions which, set me thinking. And then when I observed my daily routine, I found my enhanced focus, my enhanced energy and clarity and productivity all to be integrated in the different art practices that I engage with throughout the day. So had I only kept the practices as art practices, whether calligraphy or watercolor or sketching, it would have been a hobby class. So I added some insights into it and I came up with an offering called as Wonders of Wellness, which is a remote control for your monkey mind, which helps students to have a remote and tell their mind to stop jumping so that all the clutter settles down and they can focus better. So whether you're an economic student or a public policy student or a EVA student or a LCA student, regardless, it is for all students. And this is where WOW aspires to make a difference.
I couldn't have asked for a better start to this podcast, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.